will talk about how can you clear recent activity on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on clear recent activity, you just click on it. So then you click here on OK here. So then here automatically it's going to clear your recent activity on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.